Alright guys, something I'm noticing happening over and over again is people are forgetting what to do with this right here. They look at it, they say, oh my gosh, Coach Day, it doesn't say 4x, I know I divide with 4x, I don't know what to do here. All this symbol means is divide. So in this inequality, we have x divided by 4 plus 2 is greater than 6. What we're going to do, just like any other one, move your numbers to one side. This is going to be 4, so we've got x divided by 4 is greater than 4. And then now think, what's the opposite operation? Because earlier we had to cancel out that plus 2 by doing minus 2. The opposite of divide by 4 is multiply by 4. So we're going to multiply by 4. Those will cancel, and our x will be greater than 16. I thought I would put this one on there because I saw a lot of confused folks. There's another one I saw confusing, and I'll put that one up next. Alright, so this is an example of another problem a lot of people got confused on. It's not exactly what it was on your homework, but I just wanted to work this one out with you guys. Remember, we go through your steps. Is there a distribute? No. Is there combined like terms? Check left, check right, no to both. So now we go to move our numbers to one side. So I'm going to move my numbers away from that x. The opposite of plus 12 is minus 12. Those cancel. 21 minus 12 is 9. So now I've got 3/5 x is less than or equal to 9. Now, to cancel out a fraction, we will multiply by the reciprocal, which means take that fraction and flip it. So we're going to multiply by 5 over 3. Whatever you do to this side, you got to do to this side. These cancel. This ends up giving me just x less than or equal to, and then 9 times 5 is 45. That divided by 3 comes down to 15. So x is less than or equal to 15. Please, when you see a fraction, when you see a divide, don't freak out. Just use the opposite. Now, I will actually include something that will be in tomorrow's lesson. So, today we focused on doing inequalities that just had x's on one side. Tomorrow, you're going to do inequalities that have variables on both sides. But, the only thing is, if you divide or multiply by a negative, you flip the sign. Everything else is just like equations. So, distribute first. That's a negative 3x, and that's negative 18. Distribute over here on this side. Remember, if you have a negative touching in parentheses, there's a 1 there. It's a sneaky 1. Negative 1 times x, negative 1 times 7, so that's negative 1x plus 7. Bring everything else down. Now, look at your left side. Do I have anything I can combine? Yes. 5x and minus 3x. 5 minus 3 is 2. I'm going to look to my right. Do I have anything I can combine? Yes, I do. 8 and plus 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. Now, if you don't want to flip your variables, here's where you can do some thinking. Remember, you're only going to flip your, not your variable, your inequality. You're only going to flip your inequality if you have to multiply or divide by a negative. So if we move this one over there and add it, it's going to give us a positive, right? So add. We get 3x minus 18 greater than or equal to 15. And then just finish it out. Add 18. That'll give me 3x is greater than or equal to 33. Divide by 3. And x is greater than or equal to 11. I'll put one more up for you to practice, and then I'll put the answer.